You can just anytime now switch on off tabs which you don't want to see. For instance, here I will just switch off some tabs from the UI. Okay, and you can just select any tab. Some tabs are not selectable because they are needed always. Okay, as you see now we have less tabs. The ones that I have checked off, they are not visible anymore. And the settings tabs you cannot switch off because just with tap of the settings tabs you can switch on and off. So I edit, for instance, the fluids. See, it's here. Now I go back to the settings and I just make some changes. Okay, as you see, the tabs you can switch off and switch on anytime. Once you close the function, your settings, your current settings which you have set now, are stored in a file, and this file will be used next time. It means that next time you start SpaceCable, your settings which you have set now will be valid.